Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Workday API using OAuth for dashboard UX detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Workday tenant with API access. Obtain your Workday API credentials, including the client ID and client secret. Visit the Workday community website to register your application. Once registered, set the redirect URI for your application to the appropriate endpoint. In your application settings, specify the scopes required for your API use. Make sure to include OpenID and profile in your scope for authentication purposes. Next, generate an authorization URL using your client ID and redirect URI. Direct users to this authorization URL to initiate the OAuth flow. On the authorization page, users will log in to their Workday account. After successful login, Workday will redirect users back to your application with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code and exchange it for an access token. Send a POST request to the Workday token endpoint, including your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. In response, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Store the access token securely for the duration of its validity. Implement a method to handle token refresh using the refresh token when the access token expires. Now, you can use the access token to make authorized API calls to the Workday API. Construct your API requests by including the access token in the authorization header. Handle errors gracefully, particularly those related to token expiration or invalid permissions. Finally, ensure your dashboard UX effectively displays the data retrieved from the Workday API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.